Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you in 5 minutes get with Vaseline, get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and get baby looking skin, soft skin naturally, and get rid of this doesn't look attractive wrinkles, and with this doesn't look any attractive the fine lines, and get rid of it permanently. And this magical solution works overnight, my friends. It's amazing remedy and it's magical. It works wonders and you will get rid permanently of this wrinkles and the fine lines. It doesn't matter where this wrinkles on, if it's on your face, on laugh lines and forehead, and even hands wrinkles and neck wrinkles. This magical remedy will work for you 100% to get rid permanently of this unattractive wrinkles. So let's get to the remedy. The first thing we need is Vaseline, and in a clean mixing bowl add around 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Then, my friends, we need to add on it olive oil, and olive oil is super effective in filling wrinkles and fine lines, and you will notice a great results after using this remedy. Add around 2 teaspoons of double quantity of olive oil. Then, my friends, we need vitamin E capsules, and vitamin E is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and when we use it externally it gets rid of this unattractive fine lines and wrinkles, and it works wonders. Here I'm going to add 2 capsules of vitamin E, and this is how you add it. Cut the capsule with a pair of scissors like so. And add all the oil inside the capsule. Now we need to mix well the ingredients. We don't need any chunks in this. We need it to be completely soft cream paste. Store this magical remedy to use it every night before you sleep. And once our magical remedy is ready, dip in your fingertips in it like so, and apply on your hands, on feet, on any place that you don't have wrinkles on your face, and massage the skin with it like so. You will be amazed. In the next morning you will notice that the wrinkles actually disappearing and you're getting a soft and baby looking skin without any wrinkles. The wrinkles will vanish literally. And keep using this remedy even if you are 70 years old. This will work for you 100%.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.